angas-angas ko pero tiklop ako dito. Hindi mo naman ginawa sa mukha ko. Hindi na ako magmamalambot eh. Ayoko na sa'yo. So guys, nandito ako sa bahay ng jowa ko. Look. Ay, gagawin naman ng jowa ko. Magtitripan ako. May make-upan niya daw ako. Kaya guys, panoodin nyo. Makikita niya siya. Dami na itong alam eh. Ay nako, dat pala hindi na ito sinagot. Ay nako, sure. First time ko lang itong dami na ang gagawin sa akin. What? I say,
Are you scared?
tinanong niya scared daw. What do you mean? I'm a boy so I'm kinda scared. I don't know what do I look like though. Hay nakong buhay to. Do it.
Sit up.
You do it. Oh my god, wala nang Edgar. No Edgar. We're laughing, dog.
Make sure you're not going back.
I know. I need to take a shower.
It's fine. It's fine. What are you saying?
What I saying? I say keep going. Sinabi niya kung ano daw sinasabi ko. What? I do. I say keep going. I don't know what do I look like. I'm saying that. Blah dog. Yung angas-angas ko pero tiklop ako dito. Make sure I'm a look Miss Universe, okay?
Miss Universe?
Yeah.
What's that?
Like Miss Universe. I don't know how to
I don't
explain.
know what that is.
Okay, never mind. Nauubos yung English ko dito. Yung mga angas-angas ko, tanggal ako dito. Tiklop. Luma face!
It's fine. It's fine.
Where's Lucky? Where's his Lucky?
It's good.
Okay, yeah, it's good for you, yeah? Yo, where's Lucky?
Looks good. Looks good. We're good.
What do you think?
I'm scared.
Natatakot daw siya sa akin.
No, you're gonna get it on my face.
I'm not, you do. Ano akong patay.
Open your eyes. Open.
So guys, ito yung kinalabasan ng mukha ko. What do you think for my makeup?
Looks pretty.
Pretty? Like, wow.
Like a little princess.
Princess?
Yeah.
I'm like a goofy. Do I should take it out or no?
You want it? Yeah.
Natatakot siya sa akin guys.